Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create drop downs in Excel. The drop downs have two uses. They help a person um, to select from the drop down the item that they want. They also restrict someone to type unwanted letters or errors. I have made an example table which shows the items sold, the quantity, the customer, and I want to create a drop downs for the salesperson column. So in this salesperson column, it will be the names of salespeople. So I have made another sheet here which has the names. You see the names are here. So what I will do, in order for me to be able to create drop downs, I'll have to select these names and create something called a named range. So I'll say this named range. You see, I have not selected the header. I've just started from the second. I've just started from the second row and all the way to the last row, and I'll call these names, and I'll click enter. You see, this is now the named range. In order for example, the other time when I come here, you see I can see if I click this arrow here and go to names, you see it will select the names. See, the names have been selected. So in order for me now to come and create a drop down, I'll come here. I'll say I want my drop down to be in this column, and I'll go to data, and then data validation. I'll say data validation. Now instead of any value here, you say list, and you don't want to include the blanks. You just want you don't want to allow any blanks when you are entering the names. So you just click ignore, and the data source is where is your named range, but you have to start with equal sign. So equal, you have to remember the name, the name of your named range, which is names, and then I'll click OK. You see, if I come here now, I have got my drop down, and I can say, oh, maybe this is Helen Charles. You see, then I come to this second column and then say it's Norbert. And the good thing about this is someone cannot come and write the name which is not in the drop down. Like, for example, you see you have all these names here, and someone comes and types, let's say Charles Budeba. You see, it will not allow him to type what he thinks. And the other thing, if for example you want to type the name Norbert, but with the spell, maybe you spell it wrongly, then Norbert, let's say Norbert. You see, it won't allow you to put any wrong information. So that is how you create drop downs. If you like my video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can as well put some comments and ask me to create a video that you would want. Thank you for watching.